What? Hi! I was only gone for a few minutes. Hi! Aww. Hello. I was only gone for a few minutes, mister. You're so cute! He's so sleepy. And it's pretty hot for him. He's so cute. Are you getting cooling off, mister? We have air conditioning in our trailer. So it's really hot, so he's just relaxing in here for now till it cools down. You all cooled down? Ready to go for a walk? You ready to go? Want to go for a walk? You gotta go outside and go poo-poo or pee-pee? Want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Alright, we're gonna go. It's so cute! Come on, Buster. Come on. Beautiful outside, eh, Bus? Yeah, you like going for walks. Buster! 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 Buster. Gotta sniff everything? Huh? Yep. Where'd you go? Oh, hey. What are you doing? Buster. 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 Come on. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Run, run, run. Very hot. Is it hot outside, Bus? Huh? Hey, Buster. Hey. Hey. What are you whining for? Everybody's here. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. They're here. It was just whining because everybody's by the bonfire. Huh? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, silly boy. You're so cute.
You mean to your BFF's house? Look at the little slide and thing they brought for the kids. That's pretty cool.
Hi, Buster. You're so cute. And that's our
I like
bonfire.
your dog.
There's Buster. He's got his glow dark. Buster! Hi!
Oh.
Yeah. So cute.
Over there. By the pool.
Beautiful flyer, too. Good night.